Bet, let's wing it. All right, so I'm gonna review these. I'm gonna open up these headphones today. I got the Audio-Technica ATH-M20x. Yeah, man, it's brand new. Just got them off Amazon. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see how good they are. See what they do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, dude, it's pretty dope. You know, I got these because I have these Beats. I have these. My bad. I got these Dre Beats. Awesome, work well, you know, haven't used them in a minute, but they hurt my ears. Like around here, it kind of makes it like it's like, I don't know, it's like pressing against my ears and it hurts. Gives me a little headache or something. So I'm just like, you know what? Since I had to get a new one. So yeah, I'm gonna open these up and see what it goes. All right, man. Oh man, oh shoot. These are crisp though. Look at that. Nice. Let's see. Oh, it comes with this cord and a little extra jack thing. I don't know. Man. Kind of structure manual. Let's see what we got here. Oh, dude, man. It's, there we go. Instructions, dude. Right here, but I'm pretty sure it's not that hard. Cable, coiled cable, attachable cable. I mean, these things work pretty good. Let's see. About that. Oh, come on, nice and red. Big old box, man. Okay. All right, I'm gonna set this to the side. That's where they are, man. Come on in. It's nice and packaged well, you know. There's a little protection right there. Yeah, these are pretty good. Yo, don't mind my shirt. It's like almost tied up. Nope. It's a long story, y'all. Long story. I knew it. And it's, oh, yeah, dude. So nice and cool though, dude. There's that little part. Ah, see, like a smaller connection to like another one of those drives. What is it? Well, I'm not even. All right, it is plugged to like a stereo adapter. Ah, okay. This is like the plug to a stereo adapter. It's gonna be dope. And then got all this cord is long, man. Pop up. Nope, it's connected just to make sure. I got these to like come doing my podcast and just trying to set up, trying to get in, but look, you know, I was like, these were only like 50 bucks. And Joe, dang, man. Okay, far away. All right, might have been a bad idea to put them all the way, but hey, dude, you know, we're testing them out so you guys can see. There's no edit, man. It's on live. This is how I'm struggling right now. So I'm like stereo to the side and yeah, man. It's nice. The cord's nice. It's like, you know. And let's check them out. They are, you know, plastic, whatever. But I mean, I like them. They're pretty cool. They're light. Audio-Technica. Okay. Flip in and out. All right. Does it have a left, right? Yep. There. Right. That's it. They work. Oh yeah, these are nice. Oh, nice, y'all. These are nice. Yeah. That way they don't hurt when I put on, because those like really hurt. Like it cause a headache. Yeah. These are nice. Like I say, I mostly got them for the you know, feeling wise, how they felt around here, and right off the bat, they're light. Check it out. It's just, I mean, it's not too intense or whatnot, but hey, look, for $50, it'll do. You know, just to start off. But yeah, yeah, this is it, man. Had good reviews on the online. We got good reviews. Very comfortable, really well for YouTube and for podcasts. It was excellent. I actually had good reviews. That's why I never look at the reviews, but this time I did, and nothing but good reviews. And I think my brother has some of these. So I mean, yeah, test them out, see what happens. All right, y'all. Well, I switched to the headphones. Feel pretty good. They sound pretty good. Look at that. Got me a little mic. I think they did pretty good. Y'all can tell the audio. You can hear it. I can hear it pretty good. I mean, I don't know. Honestly. So, yeah, I think you guys can hear the audio with this. You can tell the difference with my other mic and this mic, but this is the headphones. Sound pretty good. I like it. Feel good. Yeah. Alright, cool. This is the Audio-Technica headphones. ATH-M20x. This is good. But yeah, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a little quick, just unboxing, just what it is. It's two little things. And yeah, well, all right, y'all. Well, that was it. Y'all have a good one, and next time, laters.